Okay, so my first goal is to get a 1 up in that corner. Done. Sweet. Now I want to get the 2 zeros underneath. So you're going to leave that row with the 1 the same and use that 1 that you have to make these 0. So if I'm going to use this row to make that guy a 0, I'll need to multiply him by a -3 and add him to that. So -3 plus 3 is 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. -3 plus 2 is -3 plus 1 is -2, and -21 plus 14 is -7. Do the same thing for the next guy. So to make this a 0, using that 1 that you have, you'll do this guy by a -2 and add him. So -2 plus 2 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. -2 minus 1 is -3. -14 plus 3 is -11. So let's just check to see if I'm good. Looking good. All right. So now my next goal is to get this guy to be a 1. So we're going to move this guy 1, this guy 1, and this guy 1. And hey, he's already a 1 as well. So we're okay there. And so we're going to get zeros in his column now, using that 1. So that row with the 1 is going to stay the same. And then we're going to use him to make that a 0. So if I multiply him by a 2 and add him to that, that'll do it. So this whole row times a 2 plus that one. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0, like we planned. -4 plus 1 is -3. -14 plus 7 is -7. Check. Now for that guy. So again, using this 1 that you have, multiply him by a -2 and add him to that, and that'll make a 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. -2 plus 2 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. 14 minus 11 is 3. Excellent. Now, last time, we want this guy to be a 1, and hooray, he is. So we'll use him to get zeros in the third column. So that third row with the 1 will stay put. And if I use him to get that 0 up there, I'll have to multiply him by a 3 and add him to that. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, 9 minus 7 is 2. And now we'll do the same thing to get a 0 here. So if I multiply this 1 by a 2 and add him to that, that'll make a 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 2 minus 2 is 0 like I planned, 6 minus 7 is -1 like I planned. Well, not like I planned, but it is. And so now, heck yeah, x is 2, y is -1, z is 3. Let's check it. X is 2, y is -1, z is 3. And you can always check this back into each one of the original equations, and it will make all 3 equations true. Pretty magical.